Did you ever wonder how one naval battle could change the course of World War II? Today, we unravel the story of the Battle of Midway. This particular battle, which took place in the wide expanse of the Pacific in June 1942, was more than just a fight between the United States and Imperial Japan. It was a crucial turning point, a moment in history that would reshape the trajectory of the war. Just 6 months prior, the world had witnessed the devastating attack on Pearl Harbor. As the smoke cleared, the stage was set for Midway, a tiny atoll in the Pacific that would become the arena for a confrontation of monumental proportions. This was not just about territory, but a battle for control in the Pacific theater. Midway was more than just a battle, it was a strategic chess game with the Pacific at stake. June 4, 1942, the stage was set for an epic duel between two naval titans. The Pacific Ocean became a battleground with the US and Imperial Japan vying for control. Both nations armed with formidable naval power were determined to take Midway. But the United States had a secret weapon intelligence. The US had cracked the Japanese codes and knew of their plans to attack Midway. This was the ace up the sleeve of the US, a crucial advantage that would play a decisive role in the battle to come. But knowing the adversary's plans and acting on it are two different things. It was time for the US to make their move. Enter Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, the Commander-in-Chief of the US Pacific Fleet. A seasoned naval officer, Nimitz was known for his strategic acumen and leadership. With the intelligence in hand, he meticulously planned a surprise attack on the Japanese carriers. As dawn broke on June 4th, the American forces under the command of Admiral Nimitz launched their attack. Unbeknownst to the Japanese, their carriers became the target of US aircraft. The surprise was absolute and the Japanese were caught off guard. The assault was fierce, a clear demonstration of the US's determination to halt the Japanese advance in the Pacific. In war, the element of surprise can be a game-changer. For the US, it was a calculated risk that paid off. In a matter of days, the tides of war began to turn. This was the turning point of the Battle of Midway, a moment that sent ripples through the Pacific theater and changed the course of World War II. The United States, having deciphered Japanese codes, managed to land a devastating blow, sinking 4 Japanese carriers in a swift and decisive action. This was no small feat. The Japanese fleet was formidable, a symbol of their naval might. But in just a few short days, American forces had taken out a significant portion of that strength, shifting the balance of power in the Pacific. The mighty Japanese Navy, once the terror of the Pacific, was crippled, and the relentless advance of Imperial Japan was halted. And so, the legacy of the Battle of Midway began to take shape. It marked the first significant defeat for the Japanese Navy, a blow from which they would never fully recover. More than a battle, Midway became a symbol of strategic victory, a testament to the power of intelligence and tactical planning. It served as a turning point in the Pacific War, a pivotal moment when the momentum shifted in favor of the Allies. The Battle of Midway serves as a stark reminder of the devastation of war and the power of strategic planning. It underscores the importance of intelligence, the resilience of the human spirit, and the profound impact a single event can have on the course of history. The echoes of the Battle of Midway still resonate in our history. Its aftermath saw Japan on the defensive for the first time during the war. The loss of 4 carriers was a devastating blow, shifting the momentum decidedly in favor of the Allies. This was more than a simple naval victory. It was a testament to the resilience of the US Pacific Fleet, and the courage of the men who fought under incredibly challenging conditions. The Battle of Midway didn't just change the course of the Pacific War, it changed the course of world history. It demonstrated the power of intelligence, strategy, and the human spirit in the face of adversity. In the grand tapestry of World War II, the Battle of Midway stands as a crucial turning point, a testament to courage, resilience, and strategic brilliance. Join us next time as we delve into more fascinating historical events.